Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord, I'm sorry for reporting late. Yeah, elections had me by the throat. Don't ask how. But yeah, we are back and we are hoping for a better collision. But this is Umkhokha, the curse, the June teaser. Monday, the 3rd of June. A big rise, a big shooting. The Mthembu and Gumede household spun into turmoil as death and tragedy looms over both families. Nobuntu takes a bold step towards a future away from her family. Tuesday, the 4th of June. Hanging by a thread. Hope, fear runs side by side as someone's life hangs into the balance. Khulekani embarks on a new path. Gabisile blames Nobuntu for everything that has been happening in the family. Wednesday, the 5th of June. Indodana Yolahleko, the prodigal son. Difa delivers the news of their family's tragedy to the Mthembu. Gabisile comes through for Nobuntu in an unexpected way. Khulekani pledges his support to his leader. Thursday, the 6th of June. Pride goes before a fall. Khulekani faces a serious backlash. Ndlovu believes he's indispensable in the church, but fate has other ideas. Siphamandla has a new role for Khulekani. Friday, the 7th of June. The prodigal son returns. Difa works hard to hold his family together and mends fences amongst his loved ones. There's contentment in the Mthembu household following Khulekani's testimony. Ndlovu's attempt to get his job back fails dismally. Monday, the 10th of June. No sin goes unpunished. Nobuntu's long nightmare ends in a tragic way for someone. Khulekani learns the meaning of to whom much is given, much is taken. Tuesday, the 11th of June. Thou has turned my mourning into dancing. The naming ceremony is blessed, unifying family and church. Nobuntu finally knows her fate, and then Ndlovu's received the biggest honor. Wednesday, the 12th of June. Imbeleko. Mabusi ashes back to her marital bed. Oh, nice. The Gumedes perform an Imbeleko for the baby, and Khulekani shows interest in the family tradition for the first time. Thursday, the 13th of June. The fruit of the lineage. Difa remains worried about Mamzobe and blames himself for his bad luck. Mthembu whispers a name in Siphamandla's ear. I wonder what's the name. Friday, the 14th of June. Celebration turns bad. Zamxolo announces the baby's name to the congregation. Mthembu shows acceptance of the child like only way he can. The naming ceremony goes well and the family is in celebratory spirit. Monday, the 17th of June. Love is in the cows. Siphamandla makes a great gesture, one Mabusi will never forget. KZN Water agrees to donate free water to the church, but someone has sinister intentions. Tuesday, the 18th of June. The center of my universe. Siphamandla is in love and in awe in his woman. Gajeni is excited when he realizes low lucrative water business can be. Zisebenzele strikes out with Ntombi. Wednesday, the 19th of June. Love lives here. Mabusi and Siphamandla are head over heels and their future looks rosy. Ndlovu shamelessly takes credit for a colleague's idea. Ntombi plays hard to get. Thursday, the 20th of June. New chapter approved. Mthembu approves of Mabusi's new chapter as a healer, and she takes her first tentative steps in this new journey. Ndlovu is ecstatic that he has been awarded the KZN Water portfolio. Friday, the 21st of June. In loving memory, Mabusi takes a walk down memory lane and shares with her son the ups and downs, loves and cries, victories and defeats. But she's grateful for everything. Monday, the 24th of June. Choose life. Mabusi gets communication from the higher power. The Gumedes are unsettled by a strange feeling. It's over for Zisebenzele. Tuesday, the 25th of June, letter from the future. Siphamandla studies the contents of Mabusi's letter intently, and well of emotion comes to the fore. The Mthembu family is turned upside down by Mabusi's letter from the future. Wednesday, the 26th of June, dangerous ambitions. Siphamandla appreciates Mthembu's protection of his family. Ndlovu's greed and ambition escalate. Ntombi is on cloud 9 after Zisebenzele's promises. Thursday, the 27th of June. How? Mzalwan. The healer in Mabusi is rising, bringing contentment. Ndlovu's greed knows no bounds. Zisebenzele continues to court his Queen of Sheba. Friday, the 28th of June. All hail Mamkhululi. Mabusi's gift is celebrated and raises Zamkolo status. Sibahle rubs her father's new riches in the faces of her peers. Ntombi pays dearly for dating a two-timer. Yes, this is what's going to happen on Umkhokha the Curse this month, and we are waiting for it in anticipation. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Our channel is still not yet monetized, but I appreciate all the love that you give me. This is your girl, Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.